So it's noon. I'll admit it, I'm barely awake. I work some weird hours. I'm not awake for the first time in about 3 days. Like really awake, conscious of what's going on outside of any sort of emergency and I'm in the search for food. Something greasy, something full of calories, and basically accessible for 24 hours a day. Sometimes I'm accessed for 24 hours a day. And during that time, the rest of your life goes on hold. And I become too delirious to ride motorcycles. So I backed off the bikes late in the week. So I wind up a road pizza. Look at this current situation, by the way. This is the maneuvering I have to do to get in my garage because of these motorcycles. You see the car is jammed up the front there. This garage is way too small. Normally there's a Prius over there, which now has a U-Haul hitch on it. So all in all, we got Prius, car, scooter, 2 bikes. I think 5 vehicles is a little much for this space. Do I have my wallet? Do I have all my accoutrements? Phones help sometimes. Let's get that. So we're gonna probably have to get some gas and search for some food and maybe chat about the conflict between people who ride these and people who ride those, or the perceived conflict. Oh, that thing's loud. Sorry, neighbors. It's natural for humans to separate themselves based upon their color, their religion, their beliefs. It's a natural thing. Clustering can be beneficial to survival. And to evolution as well. Certain groups make it, other groups don't, based upon shared features. So anyway, we're not monkeys anymore. We're not apes. We should be more evolved, but we're extremely primitive, despite what some of us think. And I think it's a natural instinct that should be suppressed. It's the same thing that makes people racist. You see a group of people riding a certain vehicle, oh God, people, is that enough? It's natural to sort of cluster yourself as with them or not with them. Insecurities arise, finger pointing. You ride a real motorcycle, you're young and skinny, you're fat and old. You're somewhere in between. There are certain things that we suppress that are part of our instinct as well. Like not getting out of your car to punch somebody, humping every female form you see. So I'm not gonna talk about this very long. I'm hungry, tired, and I'm having a hard enough time accessing my frontal lobe to inhibit my instincts. So I'll ask you to practice inhibiting your instincts for dividing people. It's closed-minded, it's childish, and frankly it's ape-like, so just cut it out. If you enjoy riding something on 2 wheels, and just get on it and enjoy it. If it's a bicycle, fine. wave to each other, high five, sleep together, who cares? If you happen to like scooters better, it doesn't make you less manly, you're probably tougher than most. Because you're not so insecure, you don't have to ride something like this to make yourself feel worthwhile. So just ride it, whatever it is. You know, put your gear on, your tassels on, you know, wear your skull masks if that makes you feel more intimidating and more secure with yourself, whatever it is, you know. Let your ass crack hang out. You know, wear your Power Rangers uniform. Whatever you gotta do, just be happy. It's a short life, enjoy it. So what to do when you guys go through a period of heavy work, school, job, family, whatever it may be. I suggest you get away, get on your bike and just let all this stuff drift away from you. Even today you could wake up and there are a million activities I could get engaged in, and there's many people breathing down my neck from a distance. But you gotta take care of yourself. So today is motorcycle day. I'm just gonna roll around on this thing and get ready for the track day and just focus on motorcycles for today, because nothing else matters at this point. Keep it simple. Life can be extremely complex, and you know, the funny thing is you'll never understand the complexities. We will never understand the complexities involved in everyday life. So don't try to. Just try not to be a dick. Be somewhat considerate. And it's going to be okay. Yeah, you guys going to get the Sentra off the line? I don't know. Is that a Sentra? Oh, it's a Versa. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I think I got them, but I'm not quite sure. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.